This is what my husband make for today. This is his favorite dessert. And this is the ingredients we have. That is the ingredients we have. Okay, now, hi guys. Happy Sunday, everyone. Now, my husband will going to make king salad. They call it king salad. This is one of his favorite dessert. I don't know if it's dessert or what.
It's kind of a dessert. My mom used to make it all the time. Okay, so what you need is 2 packages of Jell-O. 1 lime, 1 lemon. Put them in the bowl. Get 1 cup of boiling water. And mix it in nice and slow so you don't splash it all over the sides. Because what will happen is the Jell-O will start to harden on the sides and it won't mix in properly. So mix it nice and slow. So that's 2 packages of Jell-O, 1 cup of water, boiling water so far. You are going to need 1 cup of evaporated milk, and a couple of good spoonfuls of mayonnaise. This is not mayonnaise, this is whipped dressing. Mayonnaise. Okay, the recipe, I just put in what I think. The recipe actually calls for 10 ounces of cottage cheese, 6 ounces of mayonnaise, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 cup of boiling water, and I just get this is 398 mils. This is crushed pineapple, not pineapple chunks, and drain it. So you have to mix it so that all the jelly powder or Jell-O powder is dissolved. Make sure you get Jell-O, not pudding, because there's lemon and lime pudding. It has to be Jell-O. If it's pudding, okay, now that all the Jell-O crystals have mixed, doesn't really matter what order you put any of this stuff in. I usually put a lot more of the cottage cheese in than the recipe calls for because I love cottage cheese. So this is like 750 grams, I guess. Don't have my glasses. 750 grams cottage cheese. So here's 1 cup evaporated milk. And we'll dump in the cottage cheese. You can put all of it in or most of it in. I usually leave a little over because I want to clean it up myself. Mayonnaise, calls for 6 ounces, but I usually put 2 or 3 big spoonfuls. You can experiment with that and see whatever your tastes are. Mix it in good. But the mayonnaise kind of doesn't mix in very good. You got to stir it pretty good. And then the can of crushed pineapple. You don't really have to drain it, but I find if I drain some of the juice out, it's not as sweet. It gets really sweet if you leave the juice in. And then mix that up really good. And that's it. Put it in the fridge for a few hours so the Jell-O sets up and does its thing. And you have a great big bowl of yummy. Okay. In about 4 hours and the Jell-O should be set up. See?
It's time to test the finish. Yum.
So that's it. 5 minutes to make it. A couple hours for the Jell-O to harden.
That is my master ship. Bye for now.